Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we're not going to do a tutorial. I'm going to show you a few things that we got in today. Now, Melina is on a stamp buying crusade, I think, which is fine with me because I love stamps. You guys know I do. But I want to show you a few of the stamps that we got in brand new. This one is, and I'll try to hold it where you can see, but I'm not going to take it out of the package. This is from Tim Holtz, and it is called Crochet Trims. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is going to be beautiful on the edge of your journal pages or pockets, anywhere. Anywhere. All of these come apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different stamps in here. So that one again is Crochet Trims. And then this one again from Tim Holtz, and it's Curiosity Shop. I love these big numbers, and he does have a number 8 there. I love the typewriter. Well, I love all of it. I love those light bulbs and all of these words. Very, very nice. So that again is Curiosity Shop. This one is Paint by Numbers. And this is the big numbers. These are, let's see how big these are, maybe. These are about 3 inches, looks like. So that'll be a good size to put on even cards, your pockets, tags, journal pages, whatever you would like. And then this one is my favorite, I think, because you know why? I think he copied me, didn't he? Do you think he copied me? He's got the little piece of tape across here, the bottom of the flowers. I think that was my original idea. Forgotten Garden is the name of this. And of course, you know I love the tape across the bottom of those. It's really, really cute. And I love all those little flowers. And then we also got in, I think we've had this one, but we ran out. I'm not sure. Or this might have been the one that was back ordered. I don't remember. But it's dates from the past 2. Now this one's got a lot of the words like registered. And then it's got numbers. And this, I guess, Melina, I don't know, Italian. I don't know what language. Anyway, Paris. There's Paris. Maybe it's Italiano. And then there's November 1925. Resti a prayer. I don't know. I don't know how to speak Italian. I'm just pretending. But those are beautiful. I love the dates and everything in these. I've got this one. I love it. And then it's got that little it's got that little label there too. Love that. So this is dates from the past 2. We also have the dates from the past 1. I'm not going to show it because we've had it, but we got more in. This is signatures from the past 2, and I don't think we've had this one. I think it's been on back order. We've had 1, but this one is 2. Postcards, special delivery notes. And it's got people's names in here where you can put like a signature down. Well, it's got signatures, not names, signatures. So I love this one. I like using it and putting the signature down to make it look like they signed it. There's that one. And then this one, I think we had a few last week and they went like hotcakes. So we got in more. This one is called Beautiful Garden. And it is this from Sam Pool as well. These are really pretty. Paris, 1878. I love that journal page right there. And then this one is a brand new one, and it is called Parisian Lace Chronicles. And this is from Sam Pool. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. Ooh, me. A letter from Paris. This is very, very nice. And her stamps, so far, the ones that I have used stamp very, very well. Whoops, sorry about the glare. And then we got in, and this is from Sampool also. She's just pumping out stamps like crazy, isn't she? This is called Journal Notes. And you know, it's like a journal page. So you know I'm going to have one of these. Love it. Look at that. And a butterfly on it. I mean, what more could I ask? I think Sam made this one especially for me. Did you? No, she doesn't even watch my videos, I'm sure. But I love it. Love, love, love it. Let's see. I think that's all of the stamps. I wanted to show you. No, we got one more stamp. Ooh, this one's beautiful too. Isn't that pretty? This is from Studio Light, and it's Victorian Dreams. Look at that writing right there. Isn't that pretty? And then this fleur-de-lis, I guess that's what it's called. And then there's a flower, butterfly, all kinds of embellishments here. Clock, I love that clock. That is gorgeous. And it's big too. You know, this one is, the whole stamp size is 8.5 by 6 or 6 by 8.5. So that's a pretty good size for each one of those stamps. That'd be beautiful. Make beautiful cards and journal pages and whatever. Now, I think that's all the stamps. We got in this paper pad, and I don't think I've shown this one before. It's a Studio Light, and it's called Grunge Collection. And this is going to make beautiful tags. It's single-sided, but it's got many pages of the same design. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? It's not quite as grungy as some of Tim Holtz, but it's thick enough and it's just grungy enough that it'll make some beautiful tags, and then put an embellishment on it like a flower or a bird or whatever. Gonna make beautiful tags. Look at that one. Very little would have to be done to these. That one I love, 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 love. Very, very nice. That one I love. Love that corrugated fiberboard right there. All right, so this has how many pages? It has 36 sheets, 9 patterns, and it's 170 GSM. So we got some of those in. We got more of these butterflies in. They sold out in just no time. It's Simply Vintage butterfly bits. We got quite a few of these in, and like I said, the other ones that we had sold out in just a short time. They're not cardboard. They're just like a cardstock thickness. They're not thick at all, but they'll be easy to put down on your 4 embellishments. It's 45 pieces in here, so I wanted to let you know that we got more of those in. We also got these layer frames from Tim Holtz. I don't know if I've shown these before. We just got them in, but they're the frames. They're different sizes. They're stitched around, and this is not faux stitching. This is real stitching with string. And they're different sizes. So layer frames, and there's 12 pieces in here. Very, very nice. There's a picture of all of them there. So you don't have to make your frames anymore. And then this I think we've had before, but we ran out. We couldn't get any more. We got the Collage tiles back in. You know, Melina made a video using these. They're very neat. They're not real big. They're just perfect to put on your, put on as embellishments. And they've got some people in them, but they're a nice size. I use these a lot. You guys see me pull them out all the time. Okay. Now, we got some different size doilies, because the small doilies that we were getting, like the 3-inch or something like that, our manufacturer discontinued them. So now, from the same designer, Doodlebug, these are the 4.5, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, they're the 4.5, and it's $75 to a packet. So we've got pink, red, purple, white, and then an aqua or teal, whatever you want to call it. It's called a swimming pool. This one is called Lily White. This one's called Lilac, Ladybug, and Cupcake. So they've got some of the same names. They just, can't get the little ones anymore. Okay, these are the April E-Club kits. We do have a few left after we've shipped all of the ones out to the members. I'm not going to pull this out and show it because Melina, Cara, and Betty have already shown. I know Cara and Betty have already made some designs with them. I'll try to remember to link their videos below. I will give you a little sneak peek of the paper. It's $49 in Market, Vintage Artistry Sunburst. Look at this. That is going to be fabulous for a spring, summer journal. Look at that. Or a mini album or scrapbook, whatever you want to make. So that's just a little sneak peek. I'm not going to show everything because they show it in their videos. I also wanted to show you a couple of designs that I have made with our sublimation. Now this you've probably seen on the video. You've probably seen the picture of it. But these are aprons. And they're a really nice quality apron. They're the full apron. And I can't pull the whole thing out because they're long, you know. But this says Mama All Day Every Day. It's coming up Mother's Day. So I'm trying to make some different things for mothers. So that is that one. And then this one is Blessed Mama. And I absolutely love how they turned out. I didn't know if I could even do this or not on dark colors, but it turned out great. I love it. And these are, if I'm not mistaken, they're polyester. You can wash and dry them. All right, so that is our aprons that I have done so far. I've got lots more to do. Now, if you'd like one of these aprons, these are the dark navy blue. Well, they're navy blue. If you would like one of these aprons and you have something else, another design that you would want on them, all you have to do is let me know. Send me a copy of that design and I will design it in my Photoshop and send it back to you and let you approve it. And we can put it on an apron, a cup, bag, whatever you would like. But I wanted to show you those. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. And all of the links to the products that I have shown will be below.